Well, I'm here at one of the major ponds in Ocean Pines where typically this place is flooded with Canada geese. But today, that population seems almost non-existent, likely due to the recent measures the town has had to take. Over 200 Canada geese have been humanely euthanized in Ocean Pines after a long-standing pollution problem that has plagued the town for years. Martin Clark, a member of the town's environmental board, says the geese were captured and exterminated earlier this month. The town says the excessive amounts of waste polluting the ponds and walkways reached a breaking point.
They're in the water, and then sometimes they get out and they cross the street, and the traffic got to stop. They do all over the place. You got to watch where you're walking at, and it's not good.
The euthanization move comes after years of efforts to remove the geese in a non-lethal way, from installing special fences to planting food repellents. The town says the geese have always returned, mainly due to park visitors constantly feeding the once migratory birds.
I do it maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, depends on the weather. Does the county feed them? No. So what are they supposed to eat? I mean, where do they get, their feed?
The town has repeatedly encouraged people to not feed the geese.
I don't feel that I'm doing anything wrong. Makes me feel like I'm doing something for wildlife, doing something for the community.
It's unclear how effective the euthanization efforts will be, but so far today, it seems to have worked. Now, the town says that while the euthanization route is the most effective permanent solution to control the Canada goose population, it is not something that will be done often and only on an as-needed basis as the populations begin to swell again. In Ocean Pines, Nicole Euthanizes for WRDE Delmarva Zone, NBC Station.